Greetings, and thank you for tuning in to our channel. In today's video, we will investigate one of the most intriguing and nerve-wracking issues in all of science. What would happen if an asteroid struck the Earth? The concept of a gigantic space rock crashing onto our planet may seem like something out of a science fiction movie, but the truth is that this has really occurred in the past, and it is possible that it will occur again in the future. In this video, we will investigate what would take place if an asteroid impacted Earth, what type of damage it may inflict, and what scientists are doing to try to avoid such a terrible catastrophe from taking place. The actual impact should be one of the first things taken into consideration. Asteroids are rocks and metals that circle the Sun and are classified as minor planets. The impact they have on Earth can be catastrophic when they come into collision. The magnitude of the impact might be disastrous, depending on the size and velocity of the asteroid that caused it. If an asteroid the size of a football field were to collide with Earth, the amount of energy that it would unleash is comparable to that of a nuclear bomb. This would result in a tremendous explosion, which has the capacity to flatten huge cities and cause extensive devastation. If the asteroid were significantly larger, its impact might be disastrous, resulting in tsunamis, earthquakes, and perhaps a change in the climate of the planet. The asteroid that hit the Earth around 66 million years ago is regarded as the most significant event of its kind in the planet's history. It is estimated that this collision was responsible for the extinction of 75% of all species on Earth, including the dinosaurs. The asteroid that triggered this mass extinction had a diameter of around 10 to 15 kilometers and approached the Earth at a speed of approximately 20 kilometers per second when it collided with our planet. As a result of the collision, a crater with a diameter of more than 150 kilometers and a depth of 20 kilometers was formed, in addition to earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. But just what would take place in the wake of an asteroid collision? The impacts that would occur right away would be catastrophic, but the repercussions that would occur over the long run would be far worse. The collision would send dust and debris into the sky, which would block off the sun's rays and cause a global cooling effect that would endure for years. The decreased amount of sunshine would make it difficult for plants to develop, which would have a significant negative effect on agriculture. The effect would also cause a substantial quantity of carbon dioxide to be released into the atmosphere, which might potentially make the climate change problem much worse. The Chicxulub crater, which is located in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, is one of the most well-known instances of the aftermath of an asteroid impact. The asteroid that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs also left behind this crater when it struck the Earth. The collision caused vast volumes of debris and dust to be propelled into the atmosphere, which resulted in a cooling effect that was felt all over the world and lasted for years. To that end, what measures are scientists taking to avert an asteroid collision? Although it would appear to be an insurmountable undertaking, researchers are really looking into a number of different approaches to try to solve the problem. A spaceship might be used to attempt to deflect the asteroid in one strategy. Scientists may be able to stop an asteroid from hitting with Earth by gently adjusting the route it is currently following. And further strategy is obliterating the asteroid with a nuclear explosion or some other extremely strong weapon. Although this may appear to be an extreme answer, it may be the only way to avoid a disastrous consequence. NASA has been in the forefront of efforts to detect asteroids and take preventative measures against them. The Near-Earth Object Program at this organization is in charge of locating and monitoring potentially harmful asteroids. In addition, NASA is planning on a number of spacecraft missions that will investigate asteroids in greater detail and try out various deflection systems. Also, the organization is collaborating with many international organizations to design a planetary defense system that will be able to identify potentially harmful asteroids and deflect them.